A new ruling against the Department of Homeland Security allows unannounced congressional visits to ICE detention centers. That includes the GEO-ICE facility in Aurora. I'm glad you're with us this Monday night. I'm Shannon Ogden. Now, previous DHS policy required members of Congress to give 7 days notice before visiting the centers. Well, today, a federal judge blocked DHS from enforcing that policy, at least for the next 14 days. Immigrants' rights groups and Democratic lawmakers in Colorado are applauding this ruling. And Denver 7's Maggie Bryan spoke with a Colorado congressman and an immigrant rights activist about why they say this ruling is so important.
I'm living there 9 months, 7 days.
Since her release from Aurora's ICE detention facility in December,
in this moment, everything continues same.
Jeanette Vizquera has continued to call attention to conditions she says she's seen inside, like overcrowding.
There's 24 people in one small room, three showers, three toilets.
And health concerns.
More than 2 months, no change blankets.
It's why members of Congress, like Colorado Representative Jason Crow, have made it a practice to do unannounced visits to federal facilities.
I like to do surprise inspections, whether it's the VA hospital, a military base. There's lots of federal facilities in my district. I'm Congressman Jason Crow.
Last July, he says ICE denied him entry to the detention facility in Aurora after a DHS policy was put in place requiring he and other members of Congress give 7 days notice before visits.
What are they hiding? Why do they need 7 days notice for us to come in and see how they're spending taxpayer dollars and how they're treating people?
After a legal back and forth over the DHS policy, a federal judge ruled on Monday to temporarily block DHS from requiring notice from lawmakers. The judge sided with 13 Democrats who filed a lawsuit against the federal agencies to get access to facilities. I reached out to DHS to get their response to the judge's ruling and to also understand their reasoning behind the 7-day notice policy. I'm still waiting to hear back. Congressman Crow says the judge's ruling is a win for Democrats.
The administration once again has to follow the law. That's been the law for years.
And once the judge's 14-day temporary restraining order is up, he says lawmakers will continue their legal case against the DHS policy, while immigration rights advocates like Vizquera continue to speak for the people inside.
Mothers, fathers, grandpas, uncles, as human beings.
In Aurora, I'm Maggie Bryan, Denver 7.
And I spoke with Congressman Crow just after he was denied access to the Aurora ICE facility last summer. The congressman told me that staff at the facility would not allow him inside despite a federal law allowing such visits. Well, ICE says its policy requires notice to protect the facility and to protect the people inside. And I asked Crow about that.
We're not going to jeopardize anyone's health or safety. I mean, that's an absurd argument, and there's no examples of people doing that, right? I'm a person who wants to get facts and information. That's my job. I'm not looking to impede operations. I would never do that.
In a special called The Waiting State, Denver 7's Micah Smith shares stories of Coloradans navigating the U.S. immigration system. You can watch that full 30-minute special on our website. Just scan that QR code on your screen there or type The Waiting State in the search bar at denver7.com.